Infinity how are you, Bacho? This is Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry for you. Today I am presenting you chemical bonding, the most expected question part 2. Yesterday we had a discussion on the part 1 chemical bonding. So you all enjoyed yesterday's session. How are you doing? Hi, Vitamin and Sai Kumar, hello. So we are in 1000 question challenge from the NEET preparation. So 1000 most expected questions. Every day we are preparing for at least 35 to 40 questions from the chemistry, and yesterday we started chemical bonding. We discussed about 40 questions, and today 40 more questions based on NEET preparation it is presented. Hi Monica, how are you? Ruza, Sai Kumar, good afternoon to you also. We'll start without any delay. So how about your teaser? You like the teaser? So you are with Infinity Learn with expert faculties, and every day you just learn some topics, some questions based on topics, and your journey with Infinity Learn in the NEET examination preparation is going to be awesome. Welcome to session. So worth of the day, crack your NEET examination. So that is for your next 45 days. So everybody please attend the class without any fail and regularly every day, Monday to Saturday, 1:30 to 3 o'clock. My session, chemistry session is going to happen, and in the Telegram channel, the link is given so that you can just click it, and the Telegram channel you will be getting an update for every question, right? So, bacho, right, Sai Kumar, that's good. So, crack your NEET examination. Please like the session, share with your friends, and just mention in the comment box if you have any doubts, right? And subscribe to Infinity Learn NEET channel. So Infinity Learn, you just go to the Google Play Store and you can download Infinity Learn app, where you are going to have live classes, mock test, create your own test, and 24 by doubt resolutions. Adiba Hasif, hi, how are you Adiba? Right. मोनिका फाइन. सो अगर कुछ डाउट है ना तो कल का क्लास है, आज के क्लास में आप चार्ट बॉक्स इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. ओके चलो आज का पहला क्लास है. Yes, among the following the electron deficient compound is simple. I started simple question today, so I want you give the answer in the chat box फटाफट जल्दी. BCl3 CCl4 PCl5 CH4, इसका एक ट्रिक दे दिया मैं. Any time where you see the beryllium compounds and boron compounds are always electron deficient. Beryllium and boron compounds are always electron deficient. So that I would say beryllium BCl3 is going to be the answer for this question. So your answer is Sai Kumar, Maunika, and your answer is going to be A. It is correct. Wonderful. And thoda aage बढ़ सकते हैं. So well done and very good start for the day. And let's see which of the following are non-polar molecule. Yes. So how do you say a compound to be polar or non-polar? So इसका resultant dipole moment, अगर resultant dipole moment 0 होगा तो it is said to be non-polar molecule, and अगर resultant dipole moment not equal to 0, you can say it is a polar molecule. So vector sum you have to consider to say it is a polar or non-polar. So you can see NCl3, मान लो ये compound N, it is ammonia का जैसे structure आता है. Is it so dangerous, explosive? Resultant dipole moment is not equal to 0, क्योंकि इसका dipole moment आता है in this way, so that resultant dipole moment will be in this way. Resultant dipole moment in this way. है ना Sai Kumar? Right. Now SO3. If you talk about SO3, it is going to have SOO. It is resonance hybrid, comes as trigonal planar. Trigonal planar. So इसका resultant dipole moment आएगा आपको 0. एंड PCl5, इसका PCl5 का जो स्ट्रक्चर है, स्ट्रक्चर में थोड़ा सा कमांड रहना चाहिए बेटा. सो phosphorus trigonal bipyramidal in geometry, the PCl5, axial bonds, equatorial bonds, so that it is going to be dipole moment is going to be 0. Okay, anyways, I would say 2 and 3 2 and 3 are only. So the correct option is going to be D. You are given only one question ka, one option ka. So combination of options are more prone for NEET preparing examination questions, right? So combination of options will be another option, right beta? So अगर कुछ doubt है ना तो इसका पूछना. Any doubt बच्चों? Wonderful. So there is a very good viewers, good number of viewers are there. Monica, Sai Kumar, Adiba, and you please feel free to ask any kind of doubts. And Waldemar Putin is there in the class, so you can ask you can ask the doubts. Okay, the d orbitals involved in the hybridization of PCl5. ऐसा polar, अरे देखना है non polar का दे दिया. So क्वेश्चन देखना का कैसे है, ठीक है? Very good. Anyways, the d orbital involved in the hybridization of PCl5. So you have dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square and y square and dz square. Among all 5 d orbitals, what are the orbitals that can be used for this? पहले बताओ आपको ये PCl5 में फास्फोरस का हाइब्रिडेशन क्या हो सकता है? फास्फोरस का हाइब्रिडेशन होता है इसका sp3d हाइब्रिडेशन. जब sp3d हाइब्रिडेशन आता है ना, इसका कौन सा d ऑर्बिटल इस्तेमाल किया जाएगा? dz स्क्वायर ऑर्बिटल इस्तेमाल किया जाएगा. ठीक है? एक्चुअली z एक्सिस इज कंसिडर्ड merely as the internuclear axis. Yes, it is sp3. Perfect. So based on that, I just want to say phosphorus electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3, 3d0. A third shell में d orbital, you are going to get z orbital. So that you are going to be sp3d hybridization. So my answer is going to be here 3dz square. So my answer here B is the correct answer for this question. Bacho, clear? Any doubt? Now for this type of questions, how to say a particular d orbital is participating in the hybridization? I have a chart and I am going to present to you for better clarity beta. Now you can see whenever it is undergoing sp3d hybridization, it is going to be trigonal bipyramidal. So you are going to get s, px, py, pz and dz square outer orbital complex. Clear beta? And dsp3 होगा तो inner orbital इस्तेमाल करना. So that is also trigonal bipyramidal, dz square orbital इस्तेमाल करना. It is going to be so informative, students. Whenever sp3d2 is coming, it is going to be coordination number 6 octahedral होगा. So s 3p orbital इसी वक्त में आपका dz square orbital and dx square and y square orbital इस्तेमाल करना बेटा. चलो मोनिका, अदीबा, साई कुमार, hope you are understanding. So d2sp3, in that it is also octahedral and dz square and dx square and y square orbitals are being used. So inner orbitals. Whenever dsp2 आता है ना, it is going to be dx square and y square orbitals. It is going to be square planar. So like that, this slide can help you a lot. Whenever sp3d3 आता है ना, it is going to be pentagonal bipyramidal and you are going to have dxy, dyz and dzx orbitals are going to be used. And this particular slide can help you to identify which d orbital can be used for d orbital involving hybridization. Hope this helps you a lot, right? Okay, everybody take a snapshot of this, can help you a lot, right? 3, 2, 1, click. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं, अगले क्वेश्चन क्या? So in today's class, dipole moment, hydrogen bonding, molecular orbital theory, Fajan rules are given high priority. So since last decade, so NEET examination is using these major concepts and also VSEPR theory and hybridization concepts. So focus on, take a pen and paper with us and work with us so that you can do the best. Right? Next question. The correct order of ionic character. मैं अभी बोला ना, आपका आज का क्लास क्या चल रहा है? We are focusing on Fajan rule also. Right? Fajan rule also. What Fajan rule says, no? Fajan rule is specifically, it is telling a relative ionic and covalent nature of the given compounds. Right? So, Fajan rule के हिसाब से covalent nature or covalent character is directly proportional to polarization. What is meant by polarization? What is the meaning of polarization? So, deformation of anion by cation is called as a polarization. कल explain किया आपको. So that चांद का जैसे it is a sphere become a pear. So this is what is deformation of the anion by cation is called as polarization. Whenever polarization happens, covalent nature is going to be more. So the polarization happens whenever the charge on the ion is the highest charge. Large charge is going to be more polarization, and a small cation and a big anion can have more polarization. Based on that you can have, so ionic nature, fluoride is more ionic than chloride, and bromide and iodide. So the answer is going to be A, fluoride, chloride, bromide, iodide. So covalent nature, F minus small, Cl minus big, Br minus big, and I minus big. So that it is going to be like this. So as the size of anion increases, covalent nature increases. That is the catch point to answer this question. You correct yourself, Monica, Sai Kumar, fine, it is A. It is A, right? So guys, you have given, some students are given B. You check yourself whether you are doing this or not. Come on. Wonderful. Clear. That's good. Now, आगे बढ़ते, which of the following tetraiodides is least stable, has doubtful existence? Tetraiodides. Yeah. Correct yourself if you gone wrong. Don't feel bad that you have given wrong answer, Sai Kumar. And what about Vladimir Putin? आप रूस से okay, come on. रशिया में बैठ रहे. So which of the following has a doubtful existence? It's a very popular question. It's a very popular question. आपका कॉन्सेप्ट भी बताना है इसका. इसका कॉन्सेप्ट क्या? You can use redox system, you can use oxidation number system, and you can use a periodic classification system. You can say it is a p block element also. So p block elements and chemical bonding and periodic table are interlinked. You want to say D, Monica? Could you tell me? Yeah, you said Monica, I appreciate your answer, and your answer is correct. And I want you to know what is the exact reason for that. Monica, what is the exact reason for that? If anybody give the reason for that, I would be very happy, or I will give you the answer. Right. So when you talk about the group 14 elements, so group of 14 elements, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and lead, they have NS2, NP2 configuration. Therefore, they are going to exhibit +4 oxidation state, +4 oxidation state, +4 oxidation state, +4 oxidation state, +4 oxidation state. It is going to be a non-metal. It is going to be -4 oxidation as well. But there is a simple cheating over here. you can say due to inert pair effect, lead plus 2 exist. Lead plus 4 is not stable. So that what happened, Pb plus 4 तो इलेक्ट्रॉन पकड़ के ये Pb 2 प्लस बन गया है ना. ना उसमें ये खुद प्रोसेस आता है इलेक्ट्रॉन, इट्स अ रिडक्शन प्रोसेस. So that Pb4 plus is going to be an oxidizing agent. Do you know I minus is खतरनाक है, so that it is going to take, sorry, release the electron, lose the electron, it is going to give you I2 by the loss of electron. एक खुद ऑक्सीडेशन का है, so it is a reducing agent. मेरे ख्याल में कि ये ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट साथ में कैसे रहना है, it is impossible. It is impossible. They are going to react. So this do not exist. It do not exist. You understand the concept? I am telling you the chemical bonding side, I am telling you the redox side, I am telling you its existence side, oxidation side, inert pair effect. What is inert pair effect? Aishi, you have said not stable, it's correct. I appreciate your answer, Aishi. Monica, Sai Kumar, very good. So, you follow along with me. I am discussing the question and the question along with the solution and the concepts related to that. So, घुमा घुमा के क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं and straight forward answer देना पड़ता है. So, hope you love it. So, that's why I am saying attend our classes, so that in the 45 days journey, we are going to discuss more than 1000. It is labeled as 1000 most expected questions, but I would say more than 1000, near about 1500 questions you are doing along with me, so that a super awesome preparation you are doing. Among 1000 plus questions, definitely can't you get a 45 questions related to the 1000 questions, huh? So that's the simple logic we want to give you. Aishi, chemical phenomena that describes the tendency of an outermost electron in an atom to remain unshared. Yes, Aishi, that is called inert pair effect. That's good. So the pair of electron in ns orbitals do not unpair in order to get participate in the bond formation is called as inert pair effect. This inert pair effect can be seen in group 13, group 14 and group 15. And if you see the group 13 elements, the same phenomena, group 13 elements, boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium, everybody showing +3 oxidation state, and thallium do not show +3 oxidation state, rather it shows +1 oxidation state. Aishi, nice follow up. And for that I just want to give you group 15 वालों को भी nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth, as they have ns2 np3 configuration, they show +5 oxidation state, +5 oxidation state. Bismuth do not show +5 oxidation state, rather bismuth show +3 oxidation state due to inert pair effect. Are you getting or not? Clear? It's a wonderful explanation that you can get, and based on this inert pair effect, especially here and here and here, definitely I can assure you, you are going to get a question from the NEET examination that you are going to write in 2025. All the best, my dear students. Love this explanation, Monica. Fine. Wonderful. Take a snapshot of this information. Clear? आगे बढ़ते हैं, Monica. That's good. Now, next question. इसका आंसर डी, आप जो दिया ना ये करेक्ट आंसर है. Now, which of the following molecule does not possess a permanent dipole moment? Again, Sai Kumar does not possess negative sense. So, इसका resultant dipole moment 0 होना चाहिए. Right? So, don't rush into the question. Rather, you just see the question, you'll understand H2S का सल्फर एंड हाइड्रोजन वाटर का जैसे है, इसका डाइपोल मोमेंट इस तरफ जाना एंड इसका डाइपोल मोमेंट इस तरफ जाना. रिजल्टेंट डाइपोल मोमेंट इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. And SO2, it is also like this. Resultant dipole bent structure ना, resultant dipole not equal to 0 होना चाहिए. And CS2, you are going to get carbon and double bond S and double bond S. It is going to be linear. As this is a linear, resultant dipole moment is going to be 0. I see, yeah, clear. And NH3, you take nitrogen and a pyramidal in shape, and you're going to get resultant dipole moment is not equal to 0. So a question का आता है CS2 is the answer. Your answer is going to be option C. Option does not possess, option C. Understand? Clear? Now my question is, one more extra question. Among dipole moment of NH3, dipole moment of NF3, किसका dipole moment ज़्यादा होगा? किसका dipole moment ज़्यादा होगा? Come on, who is going to give the answer? जल्दी. What is your answer? Fixed property of a molecule that results from imbalance of electron density. Yes, wonderful. Option D. इसका option C होगा. And my question is dipole moment of NH3 and dipole moment of NF3 किसका ज़्यादा होगा? Dipole moment of NH3, you just see here, dipole moment of NH3, nitrogen is more electronegative, so that the bond moment is going to be in this way, and the lone pair moment is added to that. Altama high. And let us talk about NF3. So if you talk about NF3, N, F, and F, and F, and this is a lone pair of electrons. So that what happened here? So the fluorine is opposing the lone pair effect. So fluorine is opposing the lone pair effect. That's the reason why dipole moment of NF3 is less than dipole moment of NH3. That's very important. Okay, so Aishi, any doubt? Maunika, fine, clear? That's good. Now, आगे बढ़ता आ रहा क्वेश्चन है. Now, the BCl3 is a planar molecule, whereas NCl3 is a pyramidal molecule. Yeah, definitely I'll go back. When you talk about NH3, Aishi, you just see nitrogen is more electronegative. Therefore, the nitrogen to hydrogen bond is moving in this way. Nitrogen to hydrogen bonding is moving in this way, and nitrogen to hydrogen bond is moving in this way. And the lone pair is also moving in this way, so that all forces are adding. Aishi. Now, in the same way, nitrogen. Yeah. Can you all able to see me now? Clear? Can you all see me here? Hey, right. थोड़ा सा लग गया, अभी ठीक है ना आयुषी? वेरी गुड, आगे बढ़ता हूं। आयुषी, आपका को जो टॉपिक है, ओके मोनिका, अभी ठीक चल रहे हैं? यस। नाउ नाइट्रोजन टू फ्लोरीन, नाइट्रोजन टू हाइड्रोजन, the bond movement between nitrogen to hydrogen and the lone pair movement is in the same direction, whereas the bond movement between the nitrogen to fluorine and the lone pair movement is opposing. There is a cancellation of some bond movement. That's the reason why NF3 has less dipole moment as compared to ammonia. Is that fine? So ammonia has more dipole moment than NH3. This is very, very important. You can say assertion reasoning type questions also based on this concept, right? Altamash, yeah. So nice. Let's talk about the BCl3 is a planar molecule, whereas NCl3 is a pyramidal. Why? Because again we have to apply valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. That's good beta. So we'll talk about the BCl3 structure. So BCl3 structure comes like this: boron, chlorine, and chlorine, and chlorine. This is a trigonal planar. It is AB3E0. There is no lone pair. There is no lone pair. Whereas NCl3, it has a pyramidal in structure. It has a lone pair of electron, and it is going to be Cl and Cl and Cl. So it is going to be AB3E type. So one lone pair of electron is present. Okay, so BCl3 has no lone pair and NCl3 has one lone pair. So my answer is going to be D. Clear? My answer is going to be clear. Now the correct order of oxygen bond length in O2, H2O2 and O3. It's a very important concept, and it is related to bond parameters and is related to resonance as well. So bond length is directly proportional to bond order. Bond order implies Madhuvardhan Mrugaraj. How are you? So Madhuvardhan Mrugaraj, you are there in my regular batches in B2C, right? I can say you are there in my B2C classes, right? You are my regular student in the batches. How are you, beta? Okay. So I am more connected with the students who are coming online, the classes in various platforms. So he is my regular student in the Infinity Lane. So Aishi, you want to say C? Let me solve this. So the correct order. So the oxygen to oxygen bond, it is going to be O double bond O. So iska bond order 0 hai, 2. Bond order is 2. I am fine, Madhuvardhan. I am fine. Thank you. I am fine. Thank you. When you talk about H2O2, इसका structure आता है आपका oxygen and oxygen. It is open book structure. So the bond order here, it is going to be pure single bond. So the bond order is going to be 1.0, 2.0. ठीक है? Now, when about O3, what about O3? So it is going to be oxygen double bond and oxygen. So there is a resonance between oxygen in the ozone. So as a result of this resonance hybrid is coming to be like this, oxygen and oxygen, the bond order is going to be 1.5, right? So 1.0 bond length is inversely proportional to bond order. Bond length is inversely proportional to bond order. So bond length, single bond का bond लंबा है, then 1.5 and 2.0. So just I want to say H2O2 is greater than O3 is greater than and O2. So based on that, my answer for this question is going to be option D. What Altamesh is given correct answer. Madhuvardhan Mrogaraj, you can give it, and Maunika, Aishi, hope you understand. This is not C, this is D. Fine, this is D. This is the concept. This is the concept. You all accept it. ठीक है? You all accept it. Fine. Now आगे बढ़ते हैं. Option D दिखा दे रहे हैं ना? Maunika, correct yourself. Next, the structure and hybridization of SiCH3,4. Tri-tetramethyl silicon. No, don't say it is a -1. No. No negative marking in the YouTube channel. So you are here to learn, to increase your score. So don't look back. You are going to get -1. So -1, you have to eliminate it. So नेगेटिव मार्किंग कम करने के लिए आज का क्लास में आप अटेंडेंस दे रहे हैं. आयुषी, आगे बढ़ो, पीछे मत देखना. ठीक है? Like a tiger. When tiger runs na, it never look back. Anything. आगे बढ़ो, कैसे पकड़ना. That's the spirit you need to have. Agree with me? Everybody in the class. Everybody in the class. Perfect. So, the structure and hybridization of SiCH3,4. Who is going to give the correct answer for this question? Altamesh D. It is Si. It is going to be CH3 and CH3, and it is going to be CH3 and it is going to be CH3. It is sp3 and tetrahedral. Altamesh is giving good answers. And what about Sai Kumar? Aishi, correct. Maunika, correct. Yes. Where is Sai Kumar? Next question is going to be, yes, its answer is D. अनुराग सिंह, मैं कैसे, आप कैसे बोलो, मैं ठीक हूँ, बढ़िया. आज लेट आएगी हो. Okay, आगे बढ़ता हूँ. In AsFi molecule, it is having a trigonal bipyramidal structure. The hybrid orbitals used by arsenic atoms for the bonding. What the hybrid orbitals? So AsFi, इसका आर्सेनिक का हाइब्रिडेशन क्या होगा? आर्सेनिक का हाइब्रिडेशन है AsF5, ये PF5 का जैसा है. So that it is going to have sp3d hybridization, है ना? Yes, it is going to have sp3d hybridization. इसमें s orbital, px orbital, py orbital and pz orbital में क्या बोले? कौन सा d orbital इस्तेमाल किया जाएगा? Maunika, Altamesh, it is going to be dz square orbital B. So that yes, px, py, pz and dz square. Answer C is the correct answer, right? Clear? हाँ sp3 होता है किस चीज में, इसमें sp3 कैसे होता है, आर्सेनिक के साथ 5 बॉन्ड है ना, 5 बॉन्ड है ना आईसी, 5 बॉन्ड करने के लिए sp3 कैसे हो सकता है, sp3 में 4 ही लोब होता है ना, so 4 orbitals cannot form 5 bonds ना, that's the simple logic. Otherwise you can use dz square ic, perfect, perfect. And C option, correct. Your answer is appreciated. Now let's see one more question based on this. Yes, it is C option, correct. It's a C option. Thank you, beta. Thank you. Altamash, every day you attend the class, okay? And everybody, Anurag, Maunika, Aishi, Altamash, and Sai Kumar, everybody who is there in the class, please attend the class every day. So that one topic we are going to do questions purely based on NEET examination. So that definitely I can assure you that these classes are super benefit to you, and you need not have to pay anything, it's full free of cost, so it is super benefit to you, right? Benefit, yeah, perfect. Okay, come on, the molecule which does not exhibit dipole moment. Arey, this is very popular question here. Options बदलते जाते हैं लेकिन क्वेश्चन सेम ही रहता है. हाँ, this is a popular question. अरे tomorrow periodic classification. Thank you, Monica. Thank you. Altamash, कमाल कर रहे हैं क्लास में सब लोग, बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. Very good. Performance is also very good. I appreciate each and every student in the class. Maunika, Aishi, Altamash, okay, Sai Kumar, Anurag, okay. Maunika, yesterday she attended. She gave a promise that today she attended. Every day, next 45 days, you have to be in the class, right? Everybody, come on. So, NH3, NH3, let us say NH3, dipole moment is pyramidal, so the dipole moment is not equal to 0. CHCl3, CHCl3, Cl and Cl and H tetrahedral, so dipole moment is not equal to 0. And H2O, oxygen and hydrogen, it's a polar molecule, everybody knows dipole moment is not equal to 0. And I am not just simply saying the question and reading the answer, I am explaining हर ऑप्शन का प्रॉपर एक्सप्लेनेशन आपको दे रहा हूँ. अगर कुछ कंफ्यूजन होने तो आपको हटा देना पड़ता. सो दैट CCl4 you can see बच्चों, so C tetrahedrally the carbon to chlorine bond is completely cancelled, so that resultant dipole moment is going to be 0. It is a non-polar, so my answer is going to be D. Everybody, Altamash given D, Monica is given D, Aishi, you are not given any answer for this. Aishi not given any answer for this. Yeah, आगे बढ़ते थोड़ा सा जल्दी जल्दी करना. So whenever a question comes like ना thermodynamics, chemical kinetics, chemical equilibrium, उसमें थोड़ा सा numerical part आता है. So that numerical part you can take some time to calculate this one. Whereas simple questions like this, you can save the time in the course of 60 minutes, because NEET examination, 2 factors are there. Factor 1, precision and accurate. Factor number 2, speed, and it is speed game. While you're doing speed so don't give hasty answers. Give a precise answer, correct answer, super awesome result. Mind it, your journey should be reserved towards your medical college, premium medical college. You are with me, right? Madhuvardhan, yeah, come on. Let's talk about answer D is the correct answer. Everybody is given, appreciated. Now let's see, a molecule of type EX5 has a square pyramidal geometry, hence the number of lone pair of electrons. अरे square pyramidal में क्या होगा? M A B B B and it is B. It is a square pyramidal in geometry. So ये स्क्वायर पिरामिडल होने के लिए इसके साथ एक लोन पेयर नीचे रहना है. Okay, so that what could be the answer for this question? You tell me. You are going to get one lone pair of electron. So it is you're going to be AB5E1. VSEPR theory should give you the answer for this type of questions. Jaldi. Now, the number of anti-bonding electron pairs in O2 minus molecular ion on the basis of molecular orbital theory. Anti-bonding. So, O2 minus means 17 electrons. So, that it is going to be sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. मैन्युअल में लिखना है. ओके, सिग्मा 2p z2 pi 2p x 2 pi 2p x1 2 pi star 2p x1 pi star 2p y1. ये ऑक्सीजन का है. ये ऑक्सीजन का है. देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 but हमारा 17 इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए. So that I would say this is going to have just 2 electrons over here. When you have 2 electrons, star वाला जो है anti bonding molecular orbital, without star is called bonding molecular orbital. इसका वजह से आपका मिलेगा ये anti bonding का है, anti bonding का है, anti bonding का है, anti bonding का है. So I got it's 2 plus 2 4 5 6 7 electrons are there. 1s2 sigma 2s2. ओके, उसमें ऑक्सीजन वो माइनस है ना. सो इट इज गोइंग टू हैव 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. उसमें आंसर नहीं दिया. ओके, मेक इट 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. ओके, ठीक है बेटा. Yeah, I'm just speaking in English only, manual, right? Now, NEET 2025 All India Test Series Pack. Whenever you are preparing for any examination, you need to have a proper assessment. So, like that, how you are preparing and what you are preparing and where you exactly stand is assessed by All India NEET Test Series Pack, which contain 27 AITS examination, and we have 13 unit test, 4 part test and 10 grand test in that. Okay, so 20 online NEET full syllabus mock test and 25 NEET PYQs and 3 physics chemistry books will be given to you along with video solutions and app, and your performance is meticulously analyzed and your performance is benchmarked with Sri Chaitanya students. So that you please click in the link below and you just enjoy this test series pack. It was 5,999. After entering YouTube 50 off a coupon code, you are going to get 50% off, so that you are going to see the 2,999. It is so cheap and a special discount. You all enjoy seamless preparation for the NEET examination. Promotion is over. Let us go for the next question. Which of the following are isostructural? What is the meaning of isostructural? Emmanuel. So, the species which have the same structures are called isostructural. So, XeF2, IF2, NaHe3 and BF3 and CO32 minus SO32 minus PCl5 and ICl5. Molecular formula looks the same. Molecular formula looks the same. Right? Altmesh, Aishi, yeah. Same hybridization. No. Same hybridization doesn't make. Ammonia is pyramidal sp3, water is sp3, and it is bent. Okay, so hybridization is not the criteria. Rather, you can say XEFT. You have to see XEFT, XEF and F, and it has a lone pair of electrons like this, so that it is a linear in shape. AB2E3. Now IF2, I, AF and F and so it is going to be IF2 minus, this is also linear. So it is going to be AB2E3. AB2E3. ठीक है? Clear? Similar chemical structure and crystal structure, Kaushla. Okay, next. The correct sequence of bond order. Correct sequence of bond order. मान लो bond order is equal to number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbital by 2. So this is the species. This is the, so correct sequence of bond order. Now you talk about O2 minus 2 plus O2 plus and O2, O2 minus and O2 2 minus. Now iska, you see this is the bond order 2.0. Okay, so increase and decrease. So it is going to be 1.5, it is going to be 1.0, it is going to be 2.5 and it is going to be 3.0. So I would say O2 2 plus is greater than O2 plus is greater than O2 minus and O2 2 minus. I see. So your answer is going to be D. Clear? Or you can apply the molecular orbital configuration, you can calculate the bond order as well. Got it, beta? So we completed 30 questions. If you don't know, we completed 30 questions. Now the hydrogen bond is not present in. Hydrogen is bonded to most electronegative element, right, by weak electrostatic force of attractions. And this electronegative atom should be very small and it should be highly electronegative. Only nitrogen, oxygen and the fluorine is going to participate in the hydrogen bonding. Chlorine, however it is more electronegative, it do not participate in the bonding. Why? Because it's large size. That's the reason why liquid HCl do not participate in the hydrogen bonding. Okay, liquid ammonia, water, phenol, everything can form hydrogen bonding. Correct yourself? Yes, that's wonderful. Make a correction. Next, option B. Now the ratio of pi and sigma bonds in benzene. It's a popular question. Popular question. इसको बेंजीन का स्ट्रक्चर कैसे है? कार्बन, कार्बन, कार्बन. It's a hexagonal planar structure. Hexagonal planar structure. So that there are 3 pi bonds, let us say This is a sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma. These are all sigma bonds, है ना? How many sigma bonds are there? 12 sigma bonds are there. 12 sigma bonds are there. Okay, pi to sigma bond and pi bonds are there. Kitna? How many pi bonds are there? Pi bonds are there. So 3 pi bonds are there. 3 is to 12. 3 is to 12. So you can say it is 1 is to 4. Clear? 1 is to 4. 3 is to 12 is come to be 1 is to 4. So 12 sigma and 3 pi. See the ratio. 12 is to 3 nahi hoga, 3 is to 12 hoga. Vitamin, protein. So Monica, your answer is going to be here. B is the correct answer. Got it? Waldemar Putin, where did you go? You made in this revision wonderful, right? Come on, next question. The correct order of polarizing power. Correct order of polarizing power. What is the order of polarizing power here? Polarizing power, mind it. Is directly proportional to 1 by size of cation. Size of cation. Understand? So, you are going to get polarizing power, and polarizing power is directly proportional to charge on cation. That is also very important. Yes, this is the correct one. So, whenever potassium and calcium is come, calcium is the bigger one, potassium is the smaller one. So, my answer is going to be A. Wonderful, Sai Kumar, your answer is correct. Maunika, correct. Clear? Whatever then, Aishi, charge is also, first you have to consider the charge, second you have to consider the size. First charge का ज़्यादा ध्यान देना पड़ता है. Next, which of the following molecule does not have a dipole moment? Again the same, question is same, options are different. Monica, Aishi, come on. जहाँ पर structure ये symmetric का structure है, that is going to have dipole moment 0, does not have dipole moment. You can say BF3, boron, fluorine and fluorine. So that we can see the dipole moment in this way, and in this way, and in this way. ठीक है, dipole moment resultant is going to be 0. Got it? My answer for this is going to be BF3. Answer D is the correct answer for this question. ठीक है? Answer D. Next, the correct order of increasing CO bond length in CO, carbonate and carbon dioxide. CO, let's see, the same thing we have seen in the case of oxygen to oxygen bond length. In oxygen, ozone and the hydrogen peroxide. Right? Now, in this carbon to triple bond O, bond order is triple bond, and carbonate, you are going to get a partial double bond, and carbon dioxide is a perfect double bond. So it is going to be a perfect double bond. Aishi, Monica, and please confirm you all able to hear me? You all able to hear me? Yes. Now it is going to be कार्बोनेट का ज़्यादा है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का थोड़ा कम है, एंड कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड कम से कम होगा. राइट? So the answer for this question is going to be D. Answer for this question is going to be D. Yes. So people can hear my voice. That's good. Next question. Next question. Maybe a little bit lag. Aishi, stay tuned and you can hear me now. CO2 is isostructural with. CO2, इसका structure क्या है? In the previous slide I have shown you CO2 is a linear structure. C double bond O and double bond O, it is a linear structure. Now when you talk about SnCl2, it is going to be bent structure. It is going to be a bent structure. And C triple bond CH and H, it is also a linear structure. And NO2, it is a bent structure. Now it is linear, it is linear. My answer is going to be C. Perfect. Perfect. Lovely. Now next question. So the question is going like a washing. Okay. Yes. Answer is C. Correct. So question is going like a washing. Everybody enjoy it, love it. Now the bond order of NOE is 2.5. NO is 2.5 while that of NO plus is 3. Okay. Which of the following statement is true for the two species? So the stability bond length inversely proportional to bond order. This is the logic. So that bond length is NO, bond length NO plus should be less than NO. That should be the correct one. Bond length of NO is greater than NO plus. हो सकते हैं? That's good. That's good. Wonderful. Clear. So it is going to be B. Correct yourself. This is the logic. Monica, Aishi, Sai Kumar. Okay. Vitamin protein. Waldemar Putin. Sai Kumar. Madhuvardhan Murugaraj. Abhinav. So today we had almost 40 questions nearly. And stay tuned such type of questions where we are going to discuss NEET based questions, and every question the logic will be discussed and that question will be answered in the proper way. So stay with us and do the questions along with me. You are going to do awesome performance in your NEET examination. All the best. Signing off, Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. Tomorrow exactly this time 1:30 p.m. we are going to discuss the questions based on periodic classification of elements. है ना? All the best. Bye bye. Signing off.